Skytech Nebula Gaming PC Desktop delivers performance, power, and precision in one sleek tower. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description below for the latest pricing details of this gaming PC. Designed to give gamers a competitive edge, this desktop is packed with high-end hardware that can handle today's most demanding games and applications. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor with base speeds of 3.6 GHz and turbo boost up to 4.2 GHz, the Nebula ensures you get lightning-fast responsiveness whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Coupled with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068 GB graphics card, this system can run modern titles like Baldur's Gate 3, Elden Ring, and Helldivers 2 in ultra settings at 1440p resolution and 60+ FPS without breaking a sweat. It's the perfect match for gamers who want a flawless visual experience without performance compromise. Storage and memory are equally top-tier, featuring a 1TB NVMe SSD that's up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives, making game loading screens a thing of the past. The 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM with heat spreaders offers smooth multitasking and future-ready performance for heavier workloads or streaming setups. Connectivity is seamless with built-in Wi-Fi, 800 and 2.11 AC, a suite of USB ports ranging from 2.0 to 3.2, and dedicated HDMI and DisplayPort options to ensure compatibility with your preferred monitor setup. Housed in the stylish Skytech Nebula Black Edition chassis, the system includes a high-performance air cooler with RGB fans, keeping thermals in check while adding visual flair. A bonus gaming keyboard and mouse come bundled in, so you're ready to play right out of the box. With a 650W gold-rated power supply ensuring reliable energy delivery and Windows 11 Home pre-installed, everything is built to perform and last. Backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor and free technical support, the Skytech Nebula is proudly assembled in the USA to deliver both quality and peace of mind. Whether you're deep into competitive gaming or just want a reliable, fast, and powerful desktop for entertainment and productivity, the Skytech Nebula offers impressive value and performance right out of the gate.